Welcome to FX Street. If you like what we're talking about, you like the content we're producing, head on over to YouTube, hit that subscribe button. You can follow Akash and I individually, myself at Just Analysis 1 and Akash at Mangyeko0. Taking a look at Polkadot. Polkadot has had some bearish pressure going on, especially going into yesterday's CPI data. It definitely faced a lot of weakness like the rest of the crypto market and risk on markets. But from a point and figure perspective, especially on the $2 3-box reversal chart, nothing has changed. This column of O's, the first 3-box reversal on it formed on November 3rd. And so it has been that way since November 3rd, and we've not seen a 3-box reversal yet, which is really what kind of waiting for. Actually, it's front running it by 1 box, but this trade setup has been here since I can't remember. It's been a few weeks maybe, but it's buy stop at 26, sell stop down at 18. The target is all the way up at the $100 level, but again, not suggesting it gets to $100 just like that in one fell swoop. It's a process, but it should give you an idea of the range that the next swing should take once it does trigger. On the daily chart, I mean, you have a close below the Tenkan-sen here looks very ugly, and that could pose a problem, especially if there's a secondary close, if Saturday closes below here. But if bulls can rally dot to the $22 level, which would return it above the Tenkan-sen, the Kijun-sen, and the 618 fib retracement, that'd be a really clear denial of any further downside pressure. So it's an iffy spot, but waiting for it to get a nice daily close around $22, that would be the ideal scenario. Otherwise, the downside risks are definitely to retest the 2022 lows. If 2022 hits and we start a new swing, $30 range is where I see the max upside potential in the short run. So be something to discuss on Tuesday when Akash and I look at this again. But other than that, don't see a whole heck of a lot more of the changes. It will be interesting to see what the Friday trade session does and through the weekend with crypto, which from a weekly perspective still looks very bullish. And yeah, that should do it for me. Pass it off to you, Akash. And yeah.
So the Polkadot thing is interesting because we have this declining trend line here, which is serving as a resistance since 2nd December. The price has tapped this once, twice, thrice, and the recent one on 9th Feb was the 4th retest. And as you can see here, this level also coincides. The declining trend line's resistance coincided with this weekly support level here, extending from $22 to $28. So a rejection here was obvious. And now the price, since this retest of the supply zone here, prices dropped roughly 13-14% and is currently trying to stabilize around these wicks, which is at 20.28. So this consolidation area is what's supporting the price from dropping lower, the consolidation from $17 to $20. So a reversal at any of these levels here, anywhere here, is likely to trigger another upswing, and this time hopefully to retest its weekly resistance level here at 24.18. So this would be a 25 to 35% upswing for Polkadot is what you can expect if this leg stabilizes around 17.71. On the other hand, if you get a bounce off of this 20.28 level, then the uptrend would be capped at $20, anywhere between $11 to $20. So that's for the upside. As for the downside, we have the weekly support level here at 15.05, which was not quite retested here when the price initially dropped on the 21st and the 22nd Jan. So if we do get a lower move, we could form another lower low, and the price could probably stabilize here and then make a move higher. So the slightly bearish outlook would be for price for DOT to retest the $15 support level here from a base and then move higher. And beyond that, we have this daily demand zone here ranging from 10 to 13, which is also another good line of defense. So the downside should be capped at 15. If not, 13 seems like a good place to take a U-turn. So yeah, that's it for DOT.
Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a great weekend. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.